Greetings everyone. My name is Anuj, B22A061, and my other group member is Abhinav Swami, B22A003. And this is a demo for our Lab 1 assignment, travel booking. So this Python notebook is for the tasks told to implement in Python. Rest of the tasks have been implemented in the report, and a link to the GitHub page would be given in the report itself. And as for the setup instructions, we need to pass these variables as environment variables, and the instructions to do so have been given in the README of the GitHub page. So I'll be executing these one by one. So firstly, we need to ensure that the database we have passed as environment variable exists in MySQL. So I will just check. I have passed travel bookings. I will just check whether it exists or not. It doesn't. So I will create that database. So create database travel booking and use travel booking. Now I will execute these queries one by one. This is for creation of tables, and we can check that the tables would have been created. Yes, this is for the hash function. It is its motivation was to use the common prefix b22a and combine it with the booking ID, which is the primary key, and then hash it. This is just the code for insertion of dummy records, and below is the code for indexing. And these are the queries which we will use to check for the time and storage. These can be implemented, and I have attached the screenshots after implementing these queries in the report, so we can check if the records have been added. So yeah, records have been added. Now we needed to add five more records for five more users. So we can execute this code. This report is generated for all the bookings made in August, which was a part of the task. The users have been added, and we need to delete the user profiles. So we can do that. And yes, the user profiles have been deleted, and so have their corresponding bookings also have been deleted. So now I will show you the app that we have made for demonstration. So from the GitHub page, you can just clone the repository and you can run the app, but you will have to set up the database as per the instructions on your local host. For the demonstration part, I have a user login. So according to the user database, we can perform this. Their email and passwords have been stored. So according to that, they can log in. And user dashboard has options like to view bookings, and yeah, they can also view available flights, let's say from London to Paris, and they can do it for a particular date. They can also do it uh, as a filter. So one will have to select the dates for that, otherwise it will give an error. So yeah, as per the filter, there is a flight available on 12th August. I can make a booking for that. 12th August, 1000. Flight ID would be 2, hotel ID 2, and car ID 2. We can check as in the city Paris. We can search hotels. Both of and car IDs. Both of these have car ID and hotel ID 2, and we can book. So now we can check in available bookings in our bookings that we have booked, and we can check if we filter flights, the availability has gone down. So the as soon as one books a flight, its availability of course reduces by 1, and we can also remove our bookings if we would like. For example, we remove the booking with the booking ID 1, so it has been removed. So this is for the user part. As for the admin, the credentials have been hard coded. Admin example.com, and the password for it is admin123. And for admin, we can add flights, we can view users. These are the users. We can view all bookings, all the flight options, hotels, cars, and also we can generate reports like these. And another option is for a user to create an account. So as soon as they would create an account, it would be visible in the admin dashboard as well. So I have created an account, and now I can check in admin whether it reflects on it. So yeah, the account is made. So this is it for the functionality of our app. Thank you.